Assembly is a crucial service performed in the manufacturing industry that involves putting together various components to create a finished product. This process requires skilled workers who can read and interpret technical drawings, use specialized tools and equipment, and follow strict quality control measures to ensure that the final product meets the required specifications. Assembly can be done manually or through automated processes, depending on the complexity of the product and the volume of production. In the manufacturing industry, assembly is a critical step in the production process, as it determines the quality and functionality of the final product. Poor assembly can result in defects, malfunctions, and safety hazards, which can lead to costly recalls, lawsuits, and damage to the company's reputation. Therefore, it is essential to have a reliable and experienced assembly team that can deliver consistent results and meet production deadlines. Berkness Company is a manufacturing company that specializes in custom packaging solutions for various industries, including food, pharmaceuticals, and consumer goods. Assembly is a vital service that Berkness Company offers to its clients, as it ensures that the packaging products are assembled correctly and meet the required standards. Berkness Company has a team of skilled workers who are trained to handle different types of packaging materials, such as corrugated cardboard, foam, and plastic, and use specialized equipment to assemble them into finished products. Berkness Company's assembly services are tailored to meet the specific needs of each client, whether it's a small batch or a large-scale production run. The company's quality control measures ensure that every product is thoroughly inspected and tested before it leaves the facility, to ensure that it meets the client's requirements and industry standards. Berkness Company's assembly services are backed by years of experience, state-of-the-art equipment, and a commitment to excellence, making it a trusted partner for businesses looking for reliable and cost-effective packaging solutions. If you're interested in learning more about Berkness Company's assembly services or have any questions about our packaging solutions, please visit our Contact Us page on the site. Our team of experts will be happy to assist you and provide you with the information you need to make an informed decision. FAQs. 1. What is assembly in manufacturing? Assembly in manufacturing refers to the process of putting together individual components or parts to create a finished product. This process involves various techniques such as welding, fastening, gluing, and soldering, among others. Assembly is a critical stage in the manufacturing process as it determines the quality and functionality of the final product. 2. What are the different types of assembly in manufacturing? There are several types of assembly in manufacturing, including manual assembly, automated assembly, and semi-automated assembly. Manual assembly involves the use of human labor to put together individual parts, while automated assembly uses machines and robots to perform the assembly process. Semi-automated assembly combines both manual and automated assembly techniques to achieve a balance between efficiency and flexibility. 3. What are the benefits of assembly in manufacturing? Assembly in manufacturing offers several benefits, including increased efficiency, improved quality control, and reduced costs. By assembling individual parts into a finished product, manufacturers can streamline their production process, reduce waste, and improve their overall productivity. Additionally, assembly allows manufacturers to ensure that each product meets the required quality standards, which helps to build customer trust and loyalty.